Hi everyone. For this wedding app, I wanted guests to upload photos and videos into one shared place. Something simple but easy to browse, like a shared album. I first designed the actual app page in Figma, the screen where this feature lives. This is the real page in the app. I then brought that screen into Bravo and built the page normally, like I would do with any other app. I added a single web component element with the right Bravo tag. That's where the media experience shows up. It takes almost the full screen, so it feels like part of the app, not embedded. Before writing any code, I also designed how the uploader and gallery should look. This just becomes the reference for the HTML. The uploader and gallery are built as a small HTML component. It handles uploads, the grid, full screen view, videos, and navigation. On the backend, I use Xano to handle the data. One endpoint to upload the media, one to fetch it, and one to serve the HTML to the app. And that's the setup. Design in Figma, app in Bravo, interactions in HTML and JavaScript, and data in Xano.